Alright, you guys.
Welcome to my video.
So, I got this idea from my buddy Zico about a sanding table. It's a table with slats in it, and you sand on top of it, and then it's got the vacuum hooked up to it, and it sucks the dust down into the table and then into the vacuum. So I made this table out of an old closet door that my neighbor got rid of in a recent remodel. And this is the table. Sanding is messy and hazardous to your lung health. So I decided to make this table, and I'm going to show you how it works. It's really cool.
Just throwing down that hole? Yeah, baby.
That was so much fun building it. Thanks, Zico.